Welcome friends of our homestead. Because of the bad weather last week, we can't do much outside. So we decide to make an indoor video what's up in our kitchen. So soon the weather is better, we would like to show you more what's up on the farm and how far we came with our goat barn and other projects. But now let us take a look in the cookpot and see what that is. And how simple it is to make it yourself. All you need are 4 ingredients: flour, water, eggs, and salt. That's everything. Put the salt into the flour. The eggs too. And a good shot of the water. Don't put too much, you don't want the dough too thin. To mix all that stuff together, just a regular hand mixer is the best tool to do that. A hand blender doesn't work for that. And you have to be careful if you don't want to make a big mess. Mix it well until it turns to a nice dough. We upload every Sunday a new video here on YouTube. It costs you nothing. If you subscribe for it, it doesn't hurt anyone and it helps us a lot. And if you want to be up to date, don't forget to hit the button for the notification bell. You can subscribe right here if you hit the button in the lower right corner. If the dough has this consistency, it's perfect for the next step. Now you have to bring a gallon of water or 4 liters together with 3 tablespoons of salt to boil. Put the part of the dough on a cutting board. Just use a regular kitchen scraper to scrape the dough from the cutting board into the boiling water. Make sure the kitchen scraper is always a little wet, so the dough don't stick on the scraper. It may need a little training that it works that fast. But this is fast motion. If you come too far from the cutting board edges, move the dough a little more to the edges so it makes the life easier to scrape the dough into the water. Stir it between 2 and 3 times, and if they all reach the surface of the water, they are ready for the next step to take it out of the pot. At the same time we cook the Spätzle, we cook the rest of the meal, so the Spätzle is a perfect thing to put it by the side of anything else, like beef, pig, chicken, whatever. And then you do the same thing with the rest of the dough was left over in the bowl. The amount of dough you made with the recipe is enough for 4 persons. It is easier to clean all the kitchen tools you used right away after you use them, because if you wait too long and they get dry, the dough gets thick on the bowls or in the pot. You don't have, but you can add a nice piece of butter to the Spätzle because of it makes the taste better, but it's still good like it comes out of the pot. Let the butter melt a little and then mix the whole bowl with the Spätzle. I wrote down the whole recipe for the Spätzle. You can find it in the description down below. They taste good. Yummy. Maybe in the case you like to know how these beef rolls are made or what else can you make out of the homemade Spätzle, you should follow us on our channel for more recipes. If you like what we do and you like to support us a little, click only the link that I put in the description down below for you to buy us a coffee. We're planning to make some more of our kitchen videos in the future. If you like to stay with us, that would be nice. So that's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it, and we see us next week.